security compliance regulations, PCI, and all these things kind of changed the landscape quite a bit, because I saw pen testing become more of a checkbox exercise than something to actually help secure your environment. And we still see this today, right? There's still going to be compliance based pen testing. And this is still where you'll get into that discussion and that argument about, is it a vulnerability scan or is it a pen test? And that mindset it still hasn't changed much at all. In fact, it may have gotten a little bit worse, considering that we now have a lot of newer automation type technologies, a lot more vendors in this space that are providing automation or pen test automation, as we kind of see some vendors say. And it has kind of lost a little bit of its, luster of being an art form and something that is of high value. And in a lot of cases, it's become, this is just something you have to do, or something a company or organization has to do to meet audit or federal requirements or things like that. And that, while that is still important, right, we have to still consider the real value of a pen test and what a really good pen tester will bring to a company, or a real good pen test, I would say, brings to an organization. And for me, and I think a lot of others, that really comes down to the attacker mindset. I think that is the thing that makes a pen test different, is those critical thinking skills that a pen tester brings to the testing that they're doing. So they're not relying on automation. In some cases, they need automation. We have to automate the boring stuff, as I like to say, but we don't replace the human mind with the tools and techniques that we're doing on a pen test. That automation is really to supplement the brain of a pen tester, because we do need to script and we need to automate and use tools to our advantage, but we can't over rely on those tools to do our job for us.